So finally, yeah, parts came in. Just from USA roller chain. Some high quality master links for 40 chain. We got here packing list. So, you got a minimum order requirement for them. Here's a stack of 3/4 number 20 sprockets. These are going to fit on the axles for the robot. Another set, same thing. And then I got, because I needed it, ooh. It's going to be a little less material than I thought. Here we got number 40 chain smooth bore. To fit on here. I'll take some time in the lathe for those. Got a stack of them. Another stack of them. China. What the hell's the point of ordering USA roller chain if the shit's made in China? Thought I was getting some Martin steel. Huh. Well, I guess be careful of that. Now this is the number 35. Same thing, I want 435s to fit here and see if I can sell a few of those. Yeah, some more 4010. So I got some lathe work to do. It won't be tonight, but I got some lathe work to do. And just to fill it out, order some chain because I was gonna need some fresh chain for this job. Links HD, it's a standard. 10 feet. Some good looking stuff. Just says 40. Yeah, no chain. So, we got some work ahead of us on the lathe to get all of this worked up. But we're getting closer. More and more parts are coming in. Maybe I should have went a little bigger than the 10. I guess looking at it, it isn't that much bigger than the bore that is already in it. So I got to master carve me up a broach kit for this metric. I'm gonna bore these out and broach them and go from there. So of course my SD card had to fill up on me. But let's take a careful reading on this. Oh, would you look at that? I don't know why. Maybe bad grounding. But it always goes wonky around that thing. So let's try this again. Zero it out. $17mm, however we want to be. But watch what happens. Maybe somebody on YouTube can tell me why it does that, but so now the reading's messed up, but that's okay. I gotta get me a manual set of metric calipers. I don't have a set. Keep this close to good as we can get it, and I'll just slide the next one in, hopefully. I'll have to get closer, but it's good. See how this worked. Go over here to my highly clean, specialized fitment table. There we go. Perfect. Nice tight. Just need to put a keyway in it. One down. Done to go. For the right shit and do a little better job. It's got a snowstorm coming. I don't exactly know when. I'll get that shit in. Let's put everything away. I keep everything in. I'm unfortunately in an unheated barn, so I gotta keep everything in here to keep it from getting shitty. That's everything I touched today. That's probably not the way you're supposed to do any of this, but slather her down a little bit. Put that back. Alright, let's put this away, seal this up. Back in the garage. He's gonna leave this here for right now. You ever just know you're wrong for doing something, but you're still gonna send it? That's where we're at right now. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret this.